Hi everyone, welcome to Lavarte, where travel is an art. Today we are going to talk about traveling with children. You know, traveling is always fun, whether you travel solo, whether you travel with a group. But when you're traveling with children, it teaches them a lot of stuff, like new experiences, being social, depending on themselves, freedom to explore and face challenges head on. But all these comes up with a baggage. Basically, it becomes very tiring for you as they depend on you for everything. You go with them as a guide and they demand your attention mostly. Few tips will help you while traveling with children. The first thing you need to remember is do your research. A significant part of your traveling plan should be researching about the place that you're going to visit. Now you know your children, you know how children like different places. So based on your research, you can find about the place that you're going to travel. You can explore water parks, amusement parks, Disneyland, fairs or museums. Research enables you to have proper documents as well ready when needed to be produced, like visas, maybe ID proofs, etc. With children, you need to pack mindfully. Baby diapers, wipes, quick fit clothes, probably portable toys, handful of random snacks, their headphones. All of these you need to store. Make sure to keep a checklist of the things that you need to pack for your stable tour inventory. Be prepared for possibilities of incidents which can go wrong. Now you need to keep your cool and you don't get upset about it, because after all, children will make mistakes and things will get out of hand at times. Talk to your children about the trips that you're going to take with them. Brief them about the rules, the processes, probably when they are going to board a plane, how they should act, what important things they should remember, and so on. It will be an interesting thing for them also to learn, as well as be excited for them. With infants, you need to keep the necessities with you so that they don't get fussy, and you need to address their issues when they... Next thing you need to remember, the toddlers. If you're traveling with toddlers, keep yourselves at your feet. As much fun it is to travel with toddlers, it's again very tiring. As much fun it is to travel with toddlers, it sometimes invites trouble. This situation can be counted as an advantage as well as a questionable trait. So this is when you count on the toys, some sweet or candies. Let them feel like a free bird and enjoy these little memories. With teenagers, you need to remember to give them the space. You need to give them the power to make decisions and take initiatives while traveling. Probably letting them go to the counter to get the seats done for a flight, or probably to go and let them go and get the tickets if at all needed. So it helps them build self-esteem, self-confidence, and it also helps them in their decision-making skills. So all these things you need to remember if you're traveling with children, because at the end, children will not remember the fancy toys that you bought them. They are going to remember the time that you spent with them and the memories that you created with them. Please stay tuned to us. This is Supriti signing off.